ngayon ni Charlotte Gagliardi. Taking the level. Wow! Grabe! Wow! Okay, ladies class. Bakbakan. Sagay City versus Dumaguete City. Ayan po ang ating mga babae, guys. This is Laredo. Okay, one of the top caliber from Dumaguete City. MN Laredo riding for JCR. JCR Racing. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, followed by Charlotte Gagliardi and Tirol. Okay, final hit na po tayo sa ladies. Okay, final hit na po tayo sa ladies. Open. Okay, still on the lead, MM Laredo, riding for Team JCR Racing Dumaguete City. And followed by Charlotte Gagliardi. Sagay, riding for Team Honda Philippines. Hoy, nanguna na. Nanguna na si Charlotte. Charlotte Gagliardi now leading the race. Team Honda. Riding for Team Honda Philippines. Okay, habulan ngayon ni Charlotte Gagliardi. Taking the level. Wow! Grabe! Bahina ha, bahina. Remember, take note. Mga bahina, dili na laki ha. Basin ka tuumog laki na. Mga badji na o kakabuhol pa. This is ladies class. Hoy! Nagbangga yun! Araragay! Araragay! My goodness! Tuwa na! Lalabay pag yun ang motor! Aragay! 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 Hop! 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 Charlotte! Okay. Nakalabas na si Charlotte Gagliardi at MM Laredo. Ayan. Stop ball pa. Stop ball pa ngayon si MM. Muna na ikaw na si Kirol. Okay, Kirol now leading the race. Ayun, saya-saya ng mga ladies class, ha? Okay, coming up next is the expert. Okay, after ng expert, ano itong isulod na to ang ladies 15 below. Okay, sunod na to ang ladies 15 below. Yes, take the level. Charlotte Gagliardi riding for Team Honda. Team Honda Philippines. Expert and veterans. Veterans waiting area. Go, go, go. Medics, medics. Up, medics, medical team. Pinanglan mo dia. Okay, medics, maliyog, Bing. Libarog na, libarog. Okay. Medical team, maliyog niya ako. Maliyog niya. Medics, medics, maliyog. Medical team, medical team. Oh, si Shaq na, si Shaq. Oh, si Shaq na, si Shaq. Medical team, palihog. Veterans, oh. Oh, lakaw na eh. Sige na mo, abante mo sa waiting area. All veterans, waiting area. Okay, and we would like to thank again, of course, maraming salamat po kay Sir John Aligats for this event. Hindi po mangyayari ang motocross racing, no? Hindi po mangyayari kung Aligats. So more power, and wala pa tayong checkered. Nagche-checkered na. Okay. So checkered flag. Okay, so nag-enjoy tanan, no? Lahi magod ang muddy race, no? Lahi